This is how you can earn $6,000 using free Google trick. Step 1. Go to Google. Step 2. Type this. Earn $6,000 using free Google trick. Step 3. Watch this video again. Just kidding. Sorry for that. Let me make it up to you. I have a free surprise gift for everyone that watches this video until the end. So keep watching. Alright, now, the actual step 1 is to just go to Google and type news. And then scroll down and click Google News. This is an official website by Google where you can find all of the latest news from all around the world. And here on the left hand side, you can see all of these different major categories that people are interested in. This is news from USA. This is news from all over the world. This is news from the country you are in right now. Oh yes, speaking about your country, let me know in the comment section which country you are in right now, so that I can make videos specially for you and your country. Now, as I was saying, there are many categories listed here, like business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Now click on entertainment and this will show news related to entertainment in your country or worldwide. Wait, what? Kim Kardashian is single? Damn. Let's check it out. Oh, sorry, I got distracted. Alright, let's get back. As I was saying, there are several news articles here in this website. This website keeps updating with new articles every now and then. As you can see right here, this one was posted 6 hours ago. This one was 14 hours ago, 11 hours ago, and so on. Now you can click any of these articles and use them to make money online. So for example, we are going to use Sansa Stark and Joe Jonas are having another baby. Now all we have to do is click this specific article, and that's going to take us to this page. Now you can rewrite this entire article so that you can make money online. Don't worry, you don't have to do this yourself because I have an awesome website that does this automatically for you for completely free. This sounds awesome, right? Well, let me show you. So for this step, I'm going to copy a small portion of this article to show you an example of how this actually works and how you can make money from these articles on Google News. Now moving on to step number 4, all you need to do is go to this awesome website, Quillbot.com. I have the link to the website in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that will rewrite those articles professionally for you. You can use them completely for free to make money online again and again and again. So what you will need to do right now is paste your article here and just click paraphrase. And it's going to rewrite the entire article. It's like magic. The best part is it's all done for you for absolutely free. So as you can see here on the left hand side, we have the original article, and on the right hand side, we have the rephrased article, which is now unique and ready to be used. Another cool thing is, if you want to rephrase the article even further, all you have to do is go to the words, right click, and choose the synonyms that you would like to replace it with. Amazing, right? Now the free version allows only 125 words to be pasted each time to be rephrased. But you can repeat this again and again with 125 words, so it's not a problem. However, if you want to rephrase the entire article all at once in a single click, then you can get the paid plans, which is like $15 per month. You can save more if you choose the yearly plan. Now getting back, you can copy this rephrased article with one click of a button and use it to make money online using 2 websites that I will share, so stay tuned. Also, you can rephrase all of these articles from different categories that are available in Google News, which are coming in every couple of hours. Like you have thousands and thousands of different articles, and each of these articles can make you money over and over again. The possibilities are endless. Now moving on to step number 5, there are 2 different ways you can make money with those rephrased articles. The first one is not going to make you that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, it actually made tens of thousands of dollars to lots of people from all over the world. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually make, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button to show your appreciation. And if we get 100 likes on this video, I will give away $10 to a random person that liked this video next week. Now let's get back to the video. Now the first and the least paying option is to use textbroker.com. Textbroker.com is working with some massive companies such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, and so on. This platform will pay you for writing articles. Now of course, you won't have to write those articles yourself because I just showed you how you can get them written for you completely free with one click of a button by using a simple Google trick to make money online. Now all you have to do is go over to textbroker.com and click on I write content right here. And that's going to take you over to the next page where you can learn more about how making money by writing articles for Textbroker actually is. It's absolutely free to register with Textbroker and start making money by writing different articles today. Now if you go to the payment section right here and click on more information, you'll be able to calculate how much money you can make with this website. As you can see, for 1,000 words, you'll be making $50. And you can literally find a lot of articles that are 1,000 words long on Google News. The longer the article, the higher the earnings. If your article is longer and better, you will definitely make more money. Now if we slide this to the right, you can see that for 12,000 words, you'll be making up to $600. The best part is you can do this over and over again. But just keep in mind that this is not going to make you that much money compared to the second way of making money with free articles that I will share with you next. To get started with Textbroker, just click on free author registration right here, create an absolutely free account and start making some money with these articles. Now the second way you can make money from those free articles is by taking advantage of the power of freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and many more. There's a lot of different freelancing websites which you can use, not just Fiverr, because if you use more of them, you'll be able to make a lot of more money. So if you sell on 10 different freelancing websites, you can earn 10 times your earnings. But if you just sell on one website, that's only one way to make money from these articles. So the more you do it, the more money you will make. So now if you go over to Fiverr.com and search for article writing, that's going to show you all of these people that are making money by writing simple articles. But the thing is that they're doing this the hard way because they're doing it themselves. And that's why it takes them a lot more time and effort to write those articles. And customers just don't like to wait. I mean, no one likes to wait. And since you can deliver these articles almost instantly with the website that I shared, you'll be 10 steps ahead of all of your competitors. In that way, you will earn more money faster than them. And you can see that it actually works. Look at this person. He's selling the service for $85. And look how much sales he got. 381. If you calculate that, that's over $30,000. Not only him, look at this guy. He's selling it for $50 and he got 79 sales. Look at this lady. She's selling this service for $100 and she got 727 sales. That's like $72,000. That's way beyond $6,000. These are all proof that it actually works. All of these people are making thousands and thousands of dollars every single day by writing simple articles. And this is just one freelancing website. Imagine if you use 10 freelancing websites. The earnings are just endless. So that's why I highly recommend you use the other freelancing websites as well. And you have lots of different alternatives to Fiverr, as I mentioned earlier in this video. The more freelancing websites you use, the more you'll be able to maximize your earnings. This method is really simple and it's absolutely free. The best part is, this works worldwide. Now, as promised, I have a free surprise gift to thank you for watching this video until the end. I'm giving away a free ebook just for you. If this video was helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on for our next helpful video. Now, if you want to make even more money by just playing games, yes, that's right, just by playing games, then you need to watch this video right here for you to learn how to earn $250 per hour by just playing games.